Here's a trick. Hexagon. H-E-X-A-G-O-N. Hexagon has the letter X in it, just like in 6. So that's a little trick to remember. If it has 6 sides, and 6 is with an X, it is a hexagon. So let's double check. Here we go. Mark your sides with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that does have 6 sides, so it is a hexagon. It is also a closed shape. Let's talk about vertices. Remember, vertices are where the 2 points come together. Okay? So, I'm going to mark our vertices with a little dot. You do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this shape is a hexagon because 1, it is a closed shape. 2, it has 6 sides and 6 vertices. Hexagon with an X, 6 with an X. So now we need to look to see if Sue made a hexagon here. So first of all, let's look. Is it a closed shape? You got it. It is closed. All of our sides are connected, leaving no openings. So this is, 1, a closed shape. Number 2, does it have 6 sides? Let's mark them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, indeed, it does have 6 sides. Let's check our vertices. I'm going to get mine in a different color. If you have another color, you can put it in another color. It's just easier for you guys to see up here. If you have just your pencil, that's fine. If you want to pause the video and get another color, go for it. All right, vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That meets all of our criteria. It's a closed shape. It has 6 sides and 6 vertices, so yes, it is a hexagon. All right, let's look over here at number 1. It says make a square. Use the materials your teacher gives you. Glue or tape the square in the box. All right, boys and girls, unfortunately, if we were in the classroom, we would be having tons of materials that we could be using. So if you want to pause the video and get string or noodles or any kind of materials that you think you could use to be drawing shapes, go for it. But today, I'm just going to be doing it on the smartboard with a pencil. So if you want to use just a pencil or a color pencil or marker, you can do that as well. So here we go. We need to make a square. So let's talk about the 3 things for it to be a square. 1, it needs to be a closed shape. 2, we know squares have 4 sides. 3, we also know that all the sides are equal. So do the best you can if you're drawing them, okay, to make all of your sides equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is my square. Go ahead and draw yours. All right, let's label our sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go ahead and label your vertices. Remember, vertices, say that word. Vertices. It's where the 2 sides come together to make that point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right, let's turn the page. All right, again, we have to use our materials. So if you have materials at home that you are doing, go ahead and do that, and you can always pause the video. If you're just using your pencil, crayon, or marker, that is fine too. All right, read number 2 with me. Make a circle. All right, who can tell me the 3 things or the things that we need to make it a circle? All right, we need to make sure that it is 1, closed, no open. 2, are there any sides? No, it is round. So are there any vertices? No. Very good, boys and girls. Go ahead, draw or make your circle. All right, let's look at number 3. Read it with me. Make a rectangle. All right, what do we need for it to be a rectangle? First, it needs to be closed. Second, we need to make sure that it has 4 sides. But do all the sides need to be equal? No, that's a square, okay? However, in a rectangle, the top and the bottom, and then the 2 sides, those are equal. Watch. Top, bottom are both equal, and then our 2 sides are equal to each other. So let's take a look at this rectangle. Is it closed? Yes. Okay. Does it have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Does it have 4 vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good so far. But now we need to make sure that our sides, the top and the bottom, are equal. And then the 2 sides are equal, but not the same length as our top and our bottom. Again, watch how I drew it. Top, bottom are equal. And then one side and the other side are equal. But they are not the same length as our tops and bottom. That is what's different between a rectangle and a square. All right, go ahead, pause the video, draw your own if you've not already drawn one. All right, here we go, higher order thinking. Read with me. Carlos made the shapes below. He says they are both squares. Is he correct? Explain. Well, let's look at the green shape first, okay? When looking at this green shape, I can already see that it is a closed figure. There are no open areas. So that's great. Secondly, I can see that there are 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. I also notice that the 4 sides are all the same. Very good, they're all same. They're all equal, which is important for a square. And I can count my vertices. Go ahead and do that too. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the green shape is a square. I'm putting an S for square on the top of that one. Let's take a look at the purple shape. First of all, is it closed? Yes, very good. Secondly, does it have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it does. Are all the sides equal, the same length? No. We can see the top and the bottom are longer. They are the same. And the side and the side are shorter, but they are the same. But not all 4 sides are the exact same. Let's check vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, is this a square? No, this is a rectangle. So I'm putting an R. So now we have to explain why we're saying no. So we're going to write no. The purple shape, A, what makes that A say its name? Don't forget your E. The purple shape does not have 4 equal sides. Go ahead, pause the video while you are writing this. All right, here we go. Let's go on to the next page. Okay, here we go. Number 5, read with me. Sandy makes a closed shape with 4 equal sides. What shape did she make? All right. 1, we know it's closed. 2, it has 4 sides, but all 4 sides are the same. What shape did she make? Square. Nice job, boys and girls. It's very important. 4 equal sides. That's what makes it different from a rectangle. All right, draw the shape Sandy made. So do your best to try to make all of the sides the same length. And if you want to be exact, you can use a ruler. Okay, number 6, read with me here. The name is Miguel. Miguel makes a closed shape with 3 straight sides and 3 vertices. What shape did Miguel make? All right, so think back. It's closed and it has 3 straight sides and 3 vertices. What shape would that be? Great job. It is a triangle. All right, and do your best to make them. Now, we can make triangles like this. It's closed. I have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Or you could make a triangle like this. 3 sides and 3 vertices. Go ahead, draw your triangle. Label your sides and vertices for me as well. All right, here we go. It says use a piece of paper to make a square. Then turn the square into a triangle. What do you do? Explain. Now, boys and girls, if you want to pause the video and get a piece of paper and make it into a triangle, you most certainly can. Or you can just draw it on here like I'm going to do for you. Okay, so I'm going to get a square going. Okay, there's my square. All right, and I need to make it into a triangle. Where would I fold or cut or draw my line on here to make it have some triangles? Okay, one way would be diagonal right across here. Very good. I could draw another square in this box, and I could diagonal the other way. If I was folding my paper and had my square, could I fold down and draw a line here? No way, that would not make a triangle. So very good. All right, if you drew your pictures in, that will count for your explanation. All right, number 8, read with me. Mark wants to use straws to make a hexagon. Use the dots to draw straight lines that show Mark how the hexagon would look. All right, I see this word hexagon, and that already is like ding, 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 ding in my head because I told you earlier that X in hexagon is like the number 6 with the X in it. So we need to make sure that we have 6 straight lines. Here we go. Let's draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.